To hide all notification when the not disturb mode is on in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down to top of the screen and then tap setting icon, scroll down the screen, tap notification, then tap do not disturb, scroll down the screen, tap hide notification, and then tap the gray on option next to hide all to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on and your phone will automatically hide all notifications when the not disturb mode is on. However, you have to remember that enabling this option will keep critical notification about phone activity and status to be shown even when you set your phone to hide all notifications when the not disturb mode is on. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.